Hello,
It's Ashley Graham.
and welcome to my channel. It's tan time. You've seen me tan on the red carpets, the Met Gala, the photo shoots, and now you can have that glow at home. I know, it's just that simple. You just do a little and a little and bada bing, bada boom, baby. You've got the luminous, radiant glow that you always wanted so quickly. Oh, my first time? You don't want to know. It was messy. We've all been there. It's okay. Forgive yourself. Just follow my guidelines and you are going to have a very successful, bronze, glowing skin all over. It's time to derobe. I just hopped out of the shower, I exfoliated, I got rid of any unwanted hair, and now we're going to moisturize. So just take a little bit. You're gonna put it in your hands, make sure you get it in the heel of your hand, a bit on your elbows. You're gonna want a bit on your knees, just kind of pat a bit, and then on the feet, and make sure you get the back of the ankles really good. Honestly, you can't really do this part wrong. Just make sure it's a really light layer. It's time to put on the ultimate glow. This glow kit is going to change your life. Hey. Grab your mitt. Grab your ultimate glow. This mitt is your best friend. It's just gonna keep you even. Bada bang, bada boom. You're gonna start from the bottom up. This is the only way to really keep it consistent. Just give yourself a little squirt. Woo! There she goes. Less is more, because then you can control it a lot easier. Long strokes. And just kind of rubbing it into the toes. Remember, you already moisturized, so you're not gonna mess up your feet. Feels like I'm putting on lotion, like it's super hydrating. It smells divine. See those little varicose veins? Bye-bye! It's just so healthy looking. Just feels like I'm rubbing luxury on my legs. Hello, luxury. If it gets on the panties, who cares? It just washes out with soap and water. All right, legs are done, we're moving on up. I'm gonna tuck in this really pretty lace because normally I would be naked, but you're here, so I'm gonna keep all this on. All right, we're gonna do the tummy now. When it comes to like the chest and the neck and stuff, really just rub it in like you're rubbing in makeup. And I always go up to the jawline because that's kind of where you can really easily blend your makeup back in. Ah! God, she's gorgeous. When you're doing the arms, it's just like easy strokes up. Put it on like you would put on body lotion. Look at how beautiful that glides on. And it does dry quickly, so you wanna move quickly, and it doesn't take that long to do your whole body. Get it in the pit too. I am so good at this tanning thing. And you just see I finished this arm and boom, this arm is completely dried. It's dried instantly. Oh, it's like I just came out of the shower and put some moisturizer on with a glow. Now we have to do my back. Probably just gonna ask somebody from behind the camera. You'll be on my YouTube. Pro tip for doing your back, put your mitt on backwards and you're gonna kind of just do like this. Oh yes. I have to say it's a lot easier naked. So if you're at home and you're watching this, I hope that you're butt naked right now. All right, this is the hardest part. I don't do enough yoga to actually get to this place, but here we go. I'm actually not doing that bad. Okay, she looks cute back there. I can't believe how fast this dries. It's amazing. Nothing on the hands. Okay, so I got another pro tip. If you can't reach your back, make sure you get the Purity Face Mist because it's gonna cover everything that you couldn't cover. I like to use this because I want just like a really natural glow. And it has hyaluronic acid in it, which brings moisture. So we just do a little, I definitely like to spritz in the morning or right before I go to bed and let it dry a bit. But remember, it's an instant dry, so you're not gonna have to worry about it getting all over your sheets. I got another hack for you. I just like to put my hand out, make like a little claw, and then spray. You kind of like do that much. Let it dry. Really, this is just to make everything even. I know I look crazy, but you're gonna look crazy too. Who cares? I can't believe how easy it is. Ta-da! I only use Saint.TROPEZ. It is my go-to right there when I open the vanity, and it's super nourishing for your skin, which we love, especially as mommies.